The buffalo is a true giant of the wild. With its massive horns and powerful build, it commands respect from every creature around. Known for its fearless nature and strong social bonds, the buffalo stands as a symbol of strength and determination. These mighty animals are not only survivors but protectors of their herds, always ready to face any threat head-on. Buffalo can weigh over 1,500 pounds and still run surprisingly fast. Their horns can grow longer than 3 feet and are used for defense and dominance fights. Buffalo live in large herds for safety and social bonding. They have an excellent memory and can remember dangerous predators. A buffalo's thick skin protects it from most insect bites. Their eyesight isn't great, but their sense of smell and hearing are sharp. Buffalo often use mud baths to cool off and protect their skin. They are known to defend other herd members fiercely, even against lions. Calves can stand and walk within minutes after birth. Buffalo are strong swimmers and can cross rivers with ease. They graze mostly on grasses and need large amounts of water daily. Their curved horns create a helmet-like shield on their heads. Buffalo herds are often led by dominant females called matriarchs. They can live up to 20 years in the wild. Buffalo are sometimes called Black Death by hunters because of their aggressive defense. They play an important role in shaping African grasslands through grazing. Buffalo have a symbiotic relationship with oxpecker birds that eat ticks off their skin. Their sense of smell helps them detect water sources from miles away. When threatened, buffalo form a defensive circle with calves in the center. They can charge at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. Buffalo horns are made of keratin, the same material as human nails. Their massive shoulders make them look even more powerful. They spend most of their day grazing and resting in the shade. Buffalo can be very quiet, but they also make low grunts to communicate. They mark their territory with urine and dung piles. Buffalo prefer open savannas and floodplains but can adapt to forests too. Their strong neck muscles help them hold up heavy horns. Predators often avoid adult buffalo because of their strength and teamwork. They are known to rescue each other from predator attacks. Buffalo dung enriches the soil and supports plant growth. They have large stomachs that allow them to digest tough grasses. In the dry season, buffalo travel long distances to find water. Their tails help swat away flies and other insects. Buffalo calves are usually born during the rainy season for better food supply. Their social structure helps them survive harsh conditions. Buffalo sometimes sleep standing up to stay alert. They can lower their heads and use their horns as battering rams. Buffalo are one of the most dangerous animals to hunt on foot. They sometimes graze at night to avoid daytime heat. Buffalo hooves are strong and help them move through mud and wetlands. They maintain close bonds by grooming each other. Buffalo herds can number from a few dozen to over 1,000 individuals. Males often form bachelor groups when not with the main herd. Older bulls may become solitary, but still stay near water sources. Buffalo herds follow seasonal migration patterns. Their snorts and grunts can warn the herd of approaching danger. Buffalo milk is rich in fat and used in some traditional foods. They sometimes lie in water for hours to escape the heat. Buffalo eyes are located on the sides of their heads for a wider view. Their dark coat helps absorb heat during cold mornings. They can recognize individual herd members. Buffalo play a role in local myths and are respected in many African cultures. Their horns are sometimes used in traditional crafts and tools. Buffalo wallowing in mud also helps them remove parasites. They can survive without food longer than without water. Buffalo are known to ambush predators after an initial attack. Their strong lungs help them run for long distances without tiring quickly. Buffalo have few natural enemies other than lions and crocodiles. They can make a loud bellowing sound when alarmed. Buffalo ears can rotate to catch sounds from different directions. They are very protective mothers and stay close to their calves. Buffalo herds create paths through tall grass, used by other animals too. They sometimes spar with each other to establish rank within the herd. Buffalo can break tree branches while feeding or moving through the bush. They have been observed using mud to heal wounds. Their grazing helps maintain open grasslands for other species. Buffalo drool when hot to help cool down. They rest in shallow water to escape insects. Buffalo help disperse seeds through their dung. They are sometimes active during twilight hours for cooler temperatures. Buffalo can detect predator scents left on the ground. Their thick hide is difficult for predators to bite through. Buffalo travel in single file when moving long distances. They have a keen ability to sense human presence from far away. Buffalo sometimes fake retreats to lure predators into traps. They use their massive weight to push through dense vegetation. Buffalo can graze in areas that are too tough for other herbivores. They are known to revisit favorite grazing spots year after year. Buffalo have complex social hierarchies. Their constant movement helps reduce overgrazing in one area. Buffalo can react in unison when threatened, creating a powerful stampede. They share watering holes peacefully with other large herbivores. Buffalo sometimes eat aquatic plants in floodplains. Their dark, expressive eyes give them an intense stare. Buffalo fights can be fierce but rarely fatal. They instinctively know when a herd member is in trouble. Buffalo scars tell stories of battles and survival. They teach calves how to find safe grazing areas. Buffalo move carefully in new areas to avoid hidden dangers. Their large heads help them push away bushes to reach grass. Buffalo seem to enjoy resting together in close contact. They have a surprising sense of curiosity. Buffalo represent power and endurance in many traditional stories. They are admired as silent protectors of the plains.